am here at Typhoon Lagoon. So during the springtime, all Disney interns are invited to the Starlit Splash, which is a special event just for Disney interns. Whether you be college program or professional intern like me, international college program, cultural representative program, any Disney intern, you're welcome to come to the Starlit Splash, where Disney internships and programs takes over Typhoon Lagoon and has a private party for us Disney interns. There's unlimited water slides, there's food, there's fireworks. I have never been to the Starlit Splash, so I'm super excited. And I am here with my friend Mariana! Hello! This is Mariana's first time on the vlog.
And to Typhoon Lagoon as well. It's a night of firsts overall.
And a water park, right?
It's okay.
Yes.
I need to talk to my job.
I'm a newbie.
And where do you work, Mariana?
I am a PI with the Traditions team at Disney University.
Disney University. Yes, she works at Disney University with me, but she works on the Traditions team. I work on the leadership development team. So us professional interns are coming over and taking over the Starlit Splash.
Yeah, we are.
This is Shannon. Hi! Hi everyone. I work with Shannon actually, but she's working this event.
I am working the event.
Wow, Disney internships and programs.
Check it out, yo.
So what are you doing?
I'm crowd control, making sure that everyone going in knows the process in order to get in.
All right, well
Yes.
thank you for sharing the process.
You're welcome. It's top secret.
Oh.
It's
not.
T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. I want a free t-shirt. Pick up your Starlit Splash t-shirt here. Okay. And a glow stick. Thank you so much. Yay, we got our Starlit Splash shirt. Woohoo! Ooh, they put up these glowing balloons, inflatable things. And there's a dance party. I mean, just look at this. There's a dance party going on behind me, and I'm walking through the wave pool. This is so awesome. It's like everyone's having such a good time. We're having a good time. We're just dancing and enjoying the water. I knew it was gonna be cool, but I think it was gonna be this cool. Yeah. There are projections below the wall. That's below Tilly. Fishies! That's so cool. Guys, there's even a juggler guy. Look how skilled he is. Look at him go. Yeah, I'm filming you. Hello. Oh my gosh.
What up?
Ah!
Hey.
Hello. First stop, food. We are so getting food first.
I already see the Mickey bars.
Yes, we get free Mickey bars, people.
Right there.
Right here. It's time for Mickey bars. Or should we get food first? I don't know what this is, but it's welcoming us to the food. We have quite the assortment of food. There is bean, corn, and cheese quesadillas with salsa, of course. There are cheeseburger spring rolls with secret sauce. What does that mean? That's secret sauce. Spinach paneer purses. I love paneer. Fried chicken fritters, celery, and all kinds of dip. Blue cheese and celery, honey mustard, barbecue sauce, and wing sauce. And chips. And the drink choices are iced tea, lemonade, and water. All right, Shannon suggested the hamburger egg roll, so we're gonna try it together. Cheers! Cheers!
I totally taste pickle. You taste pickle? Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, I do taste pickle. Whoa. All the food here is catered. This is a catered event. Oh my God, free ice cream. And someone say free Mickey bars? Yes, please.
And all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake.
There are actually some photo pass locations. So here's one photo pass where you can get Tilly, the ship way back there, the icon of Typhoon Lagoon. And there is more photo pass over here. There's lots of photo pass. It is GoPro time because it's time to ride some slides. All right, are you ready for your first slide, Mariana? I don't know, okay, let's go. Keelhaul Falls. I am so ready for this. Ah, I'm just afraid I'm gonna lose a shoe. Here we go, Keelhaul Falls. Oh my gosh. Why am I going so fast? Oh my gosh, here we go. Ah! Woohoo! First slide down. How was it? Oh, it was so much fun. For Gangplank Falls. Well, I gotta help. Oh, I'm sorry. Woo! It's spinning. Why are there waterfalls? It's Lazy River time! You can hear the music. go up the conveyor belt.
That's an awkward feeling.
Crustaceans! Put some sunscreen on yourself!
Put some sunscreen on yourself! I got it! I'm holding on! That one was so fun. Misadventure Fall is definitely one of the best slides here. But we are now going to go on my favorite slide in both Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach, which is Crushing Pressure. Here we go, everybody. Ready? Water coaster, everybody. Here we go. Was that amazing? Best slide, like literally at any water park in Disney. Great way to end our night. We are now heading out. Let me tell you, the best feeling in the world is putting on your towel.
Yes, it is.
Because we've become Floridians. We have. Mariana is from New Mexico. Yep. And I'm from California.
Both West, both
Yeah.
West Coasters.
West Coast, Best Coast. But we're still really cold. We came from hot states. We're still in a hot state. We're in a hotter state. And we're cold. It's probably only 75, let's be honest. That was so much fun.
It was so much fun.
How was your first water park experience?
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
All your expectations are so high now.
I know. I don't know if any other water park will serve cheeseburger spring rolls, but
yeah, and have dance parties.
or
and
people jump roping with light up ropes. Jugglers.
Right. If you do a college program, any type of internship, do come to Starlit Splash if you can.
Disney knows how to throw parties.
They sure do. They sure do. It was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye! See ya!